how to make this happen? Stephanie, you had your work cut out for you. We actually go into a drugstore. You have more than $1 spent per hour. How'd you do it?
Well, we did great, and I'll tell you, there is really no reason.
What are you doing, monkey?
Full price at the drugstore. The whole key is.
What are you doing?
Strategies. You'll never pay full price again.
All right. I'm curious, I bet you are, to find out what the $1 drugstore deals were.
Bye bye.
Pushed up the cold.
Bye bye.
So.
Bye bye.
The throat spray,
Mwah.
cough syrup, or the lozenge.
Mwah.
These are the best ones. The best one for you to buy for under $1. I think. What do you guys think?
Where's my kisses, Wyatt? Mwah.
They thought that throat lozenges were the best.
Mwah.
What does the audience think? See? All right, Stephanie, what item did you find for less than $1?
Well, you did well. You're right. They were actually 49 cents. With any for less than $1.
Where are you going, you little goober?
So these usually $2.79. I don't have a sore throat yet, but
Bye bye.
sale for 99 cents. And
Bye bye.
It's going to be 49 cents. Go ahead and buy it then.
Bye bye.
Medicine cabinet when you
Because
need it.
expiration date probably is a couple years.
Yeah, that's a long time from now. So a lot of times you go shopping when we get sick. You be prophylactic, especially for common things. Okay, break it down for us. This is unbelievable to me. I can't imagine.